Dove? Thank you. Shh. Yeah. Shh.
While the glaze on this one alongside and it's cool. Let me invite Esther, Mama Baika. And then again. Oh. Now so. Oh. All this message, eh? Share. Orijuwe ya mwe o. Invest. Oh. Please, don't let me come on my bike. And then again, Esther, where Esther? Fatty Bobo. Oh. Yeah. We are going to start. Please let me invite people where I want. Let's play once. Let's more. No, your plan finish. Hey, go. Now so. I'm not seeing any message. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. You are welcome. I keep pizza, you are welcome. Oh. Susan, thank you. May you still go rest for your house too, for your house. Go rest also. Yeah. Invite. Susan, go and rest for your house, if you want. Thank you. Yeah, invite, and let's start. Invite. We are going to start now. Muna, help me call. I'm going to start from this Jamie woman. What it be her name? Esther. Esther, what is your problem? I talked to you that day. They wait for you. You not agree come out. Esther, what is your problem? You did your marriage. Another person matter. You just carry and put for your head, Esther. What is your problem? I tell you, say I will come out for you. I tell you, say I will come out for you. Now I'm out for you, Esther. What is your problem, Esther? What is your problem? Another person matter, Esther. You just put am for your head. When you know say you get mother-in-law. Esther, as I'm going to start from you. After you are going to enter mommy love. You hear me? After you are going to enter mommy love, muna me still call mommy love. Muna me call ededen again, Madam Baika. Avielele. Me I'm not even sure saying I've been in that one for con. So me I first start one by one, step by step. I'll start from Esther. Esther, now I want from start. Esther, you just carry another person matter, you put am for your head. You put am for your head. You forget what happened to you last time. You forget am. When you say your husband, he wetin they call, he too small. Say not reach anything for your body. Wetin make you voice that word come out? Because Kokobiri masters, they don't vandalize you. They don't vandalize you finish. Because nothing there again. I even this as your man, as if say just store, say everything there with her. I don't even know, say nothing there with him at all. He just there na empty vessels. Your husband na empty vessels. You still come and tell the word, say your husband, can he call not reach anything? Esther, he can he call not reach anything for you. And the man no dey even fit dey talk. Because if na me be that man, shame no go let me dey come out dey join you for live video again because of that thing wey happen. If na me be that one, that man. What is your problem, Esther? Esther, what is your problem? I'm asking you. Tell me what is your problem. Please, can you tell me, Esther? I know the verse to Susan. I know the verse. Now wetin you write now tell answer you. I know the verse. No problem. Everywhere good. We all na one. We know wetin dey. You understand? So, Esther, I still dey here. I dey talk to Esther. I say when I go and me call Esther come. I dey here because of Esther. I dey here because of Esther. Esther, you know your fear. You no fear. You say your husband, this thing not big reach, say it's small well for you. So you no want time again. Because of that one, you want drive your pikin comot for us. If you drive your pikin comot, you drive your husband join us so that the Kokobiri master, where don't vandalize you pass, so that make they restart again for your body. Yes. Make they restart. Abeg, muna help me share am. May go reach where Esther dey. Esther, that waist trainer wey you wear, you no need to dey wear waist trainer again. Wetin you just need, go and carry oza. Do you know what they call oza? Go and carry oza and tie your stomach. Tell your husband, make it help you well. Make your husband draw your tummy, enter inside. Shey you see belle, you see how e be. Draw your tummy, draw and enter inside. You see am? Draw am so that you know you go use am well. E go dey solid for you. You dey hear me, Esther? You go draw am well. E go dey solid for you. Go carry oza because waist trainer no work. Waist trainer e no work again for you, Esther. E no work. Now because of the water wey Kokobiri master, wey they don pump give you that time wey you never know your husband, wey they don pump for your body, na im make your belle come be like that. Yes. You still dey live video, you go dey carry wetin dem dey call am? You dey carry wine, red wine, dey sip am. You go carry red wine, you go turn am for cup. Muna see am o, na water, na mineral indeed, coke indeed. Is that coke or wine wey you don go use hot, mix am, dey put for your mouth for live video? How long are you going to stop that? You understand me? Esther, you carry drink out, you carry am join, you carry out, listen to me, you carry out, you put am for cup, you carry out, put for cup, you go dey drink am like this, as in you come carry am join red wine, you go dey carry am, dey turn for your mouth, dey tell dem say na this thing be this one o, na coke o, muna see am, coke indeed. You remember say you no dey drink anything wey be say dey sugary, wey be say everybody know. People wey fat like una no dey drink sugar, we know. You dey carry wine, dey drink, dey talk gogoro, dey join am, dey drink. You dey say na wetin e be. How long are you going to stop to drink in live video? You just dey live video every day and night. You go dey drink. How long? How long are you going to stop? How long are you going to stop? Can you tell me how long, Esther? Esther, how long are you going to stop? You understand me? Can you imagine? Woman, when be say you get mad, you just come out. You say your husband, is this thing too small? Your husband too he cassava too small. Why you come out and say your husband cassava too small? And now you they come out, they advise people what to do, how to say. You see they engage two people together. You see they do hook up. Which kind of woman you be? You never can look your house. How it be? Look your left, say you be Amweba. So Salobua. Jesus. Can you imagine? Wait, oh, Esther, listen to me. Muna beg, people beg, my fans, Muna help me ask Esther. Woman when he come out, come say he husband cassava, say he too small. He come out, he tell the word like that. At the end of everything now, you come and say you want to begin to advise people. What do you want to tell the people what they want take? What do you want to tell them what they want take? Can you imagine? You don't already let the word know say your husband automatically not the sacrifice you. He not the oh my God, me I not go back to my tongue. He not they make you they feel fine for bed. Yes. How long? You know they make you they feel fine for bed. You don't let the word no finish. At the end, you will constantly come out. They advise people. What do you want to advise people where they want to take from you? Tell me. What do you want to advise people where they want to take from you? What do you want to advise woman be where they want to take from you, Esther? How long? How long you take betrayed yourself? Tell me. How long you take carry your husband come out for social media? Tell people say my husband he cassava he too small. Ha! At the end you still come out for live video. They advise people. You still come out they tell people how they will take use their marriage when you not fit use your own house well. You not fit coordinate your marriage well. Go ask where to your child when you still born. The use man they tell your child say you go drive and come out for this house if they break. Esther, how dare you? How dare you? Before you come out they advise the world try go and repair your house. Go find where you want to go construct. Join your husband cassava. You dey hear me? Go construct. Join your husband cassava. All right. Before you will not come out to advise the world. Are you hearing me? Before you will not come out, they advise the world. Are you hearing me, Esther? How long will you bring out your husband outside? He cassava no dey work well. He cassava too small. If to say I know, I will not even marry you sef. Waiting. Okay, now you come out, come begin to advise people what to do. You come out, come begin to advise people what to do. Where? Esther, where and how long? Why and how long will you stop that? Can you imagine? You still come out for live video. You carry beer. You carry am like this. Carry wine. You will turn am for cup finish. You don't put am for cup because you want drink. You not fit hide yourself drink am. You come carry am come out like this. Muna look am o. Na mineral na e be coke na e be. You dey turn am dey drink. Because if you carry that white wine put for cup, then go know say na drink you dey drink. Although even though you say na water, e go still show say na wine na you dey drink. Na hot na you dey drink. Your husband go still sit down with you very close to your door. They tell you wetin you go talk. They from there they throw marks they give you wetin you go talk. How long, Esther, you take stop that life where you dey live? You just dey bully people, they bully people, they bully people. You see una where they bully people. Una remember say person dey una back when still dey bully una. You hear me? Esther, come here and tell you something. I know your secret. Oh. You where they don't vandalize for Ogbe, conductor. I bet they call me, never call me. You where be not the old conductor for Ogbe, for Ring Road where they don't vandalize finish. Now you come there here, they make math. If they open math, they thought that they say, I was once a secretary to so and so company. Who know you? I can remember saying that Esther Momo, now they call you that time. Esther Momo. How? The way when they shop you that time for Nigeria, now you still continue for a year because they don't vandalize you finish. For Nigeria, they vandalize you finish. You still enter here, Kokobiri do their own before you come finally come stay one place. Where you still stay now, the thing not reach you, say it's too small. How long are you going to stop that? How long? How long, Esther? How long are you going to continue to stop that, Esther? How long? Don't you know people is watching you? Don't you know people is watching you? Esther, you don't know. Say people, they watch you. People, they watch you. They are watching you all over. First, not go spoil children name, yeah? Not go to spoil children image. You hear me? Yes, it's normal. Not go to spoil children. Other people children, not go to spoil them, yeah? You hear me? Not go to spoil other people children, Esther. I tell you, try and stop. Stop. Pack your load and go inside. Pack your load and go inside. Stop spoiling people's name. Stop interfering in other people's marriage. Esther, that is why I'm after you. May your own problem make it marry you. Anybody wey dey social media where your whole problem not marry you, you don't face your own matter. Your matter not marry you. Say na another people matter now you want begin they put for head. Another people issue now you want begin they put for your head. Now so I go dey bully now one by one. You hear me? Now so me I go dey bully now one by one. I'm telling you all. I'm telling you all. I still go back to this what they call am? Mommy love. Mommy love, what is your stress? Can you tell me your stress? Mommy love, what is your stress? Eh? Can you tell me what is going on? Now it's back for mommy love. Mona help me to call mommy mommy love. Mona help me call and beg. Now our time now be this one. Because Benin they use how they make parable say they know they beat person where be say e show person road. Who feed you? Don't bite the finger that feeds you. Alright? You hear me? Don't go and bite the finger that feeds you and respect yourself proper. I'm telling you. Respect yourself. Yesterday night that they watch you, how long will you just carry Facebook matter where it go just be problem for your head, where you go just they swear, they carry oh my God, I don't die. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Mommy love, you just come out. May anybody not call me? Oh, this call will come in. I just the cut and I don't want to receive any call. Mommy love, how long? How long will you stop this? You come out. You come out. You say you be married woman. You be this one. You dey responsible. At the end, if not be this coronavirus, we for not say prophet whatever they call her Atiti. They vandalize you for instance. If not be Vienna, now nobody for know wetin dey happen. Nobody for know wetin dey happen. I beg, mommy love, I take God beg you. You hear? Try pack your things and go inside. Why the reason why I put the then again Miss Baika, the reason why I put her. Did you know why? The reason why I put her, now big say, now she they spoil you. Now she, now they teach you all those rubbish where you they do. Try enter us. Mona not they come and they bully people. Can you imagine? wait oh, how long you go take stop this rubbish wey you dey do? You wait be say you beat your husband finish up on all the beating wey you beat your husband, you still put am for prison join am. Now still come out, now you still come out still dey talk. Come out dey advise people. Which kind of advice you wan give people wey people wan take from you? Mommy love. I dey watch you yesterday night, you dey swear. Why you dey swear? Now you swear you can't dey swear. Now what for you oh? But I can remember, no, I'm sorry, I can remember. I beg, Muna listen to me. I can remember back in the days. Mommy love, they come out, they teach people how to pray, they pray with people. You wait, they come out, they pray with people. Now you they do all these things, you they swear yesterday night. I can remember that time, say na Corito, so that they call you for Vanessa. I remember. Abi you not remember me again? Know me very well. Look my eye. Now you can come out, they advise people. Wait, so people will still they follow you self. I don't know whether they know what they want. I can imagine now as I dey here now. I go stay, gather people, we dey do prayer together. At the end of everything, I go still come out for one night. They swear for one person. Meanwhile, they do prayer for people. I'll still they swear for one person. No, it's not done. It's not done. Can you imagine? You just come out, just bring yourself on social media, just they fool yourself, they disgrace yourself. If not be say we can't know now, say if they can let us know, say now titi, now can they sharp you, now can they do everything, they nyama you. You know they even I can remember. What is your problem? Yeah. Una don't do finish now. Come begin the raise finger, raise the nyash up. Say now be this one, now be this one. Begin to speak wetin no dey paper. They carry people, they pray. After all the prayer, when you don't pray with people finish, you can't come out. Yesterday night, I was ashamed. When I see that video, I fear, I shock. Do you know what's called shock? I shock. Me, a person go do me something. When you carry Bible pray, you say you know God. You dey gather people. When they gather, they pray. Okay. Wetin go make you dey swear those kind of swear when you dey swear yesterday night? I was ashamed of you. Because if you really know God, that swear when you dey swear, so you not go dey swear am. Why will you be swelling for people children? Just begin dey swear for people children. For middle of the night, everybody don't sleep. You don't begin dey swear, they do incantation. How long will you stop that, mommy love? People when they follow you, they don't know say those things where you they do not good. They don't know. They don't know say wetin you dey do so e not good. They not feel one person inside not fit call you, advise you. Now only you want they advise all of them. At least you say get one person wey still they advise you. I cannot do that. God forbid. It's an insult. I will just come out, carry people, children. Will they do prayer for success? Will they do prayer for breakthrough? At the end of it, I'll still carry the same people, children again. Carry one picture, I don't really know. Incantation. Begin the incantation for another person picking. Even if person swear for you, be yourself. Continue with your prayer. How long are you going to stop that? I remember how you tell leave for Vanessa. How Chief of Ogiobo, you remember? How Chief of Ogiobo tell they shop you that time. Only you want Chief of Ogiobo, he go fuck you. Only you want. What did they call him again? Prophet Atiti, he go see vandalize you join her. Only that your body. I reject am, God forbid. Kokobiri go still do their own joiner. How long are you going to stop that? How long? Can you tell me how long? Your fans, they know they see say you dey go astray, you dey go wrong. Can't they advise you? Muna help me call mommy love come. I don't know where he dey. Muna help me go call am for phone. Make he come here. Make she come here. Too much of everything is bad. Too much of everything is bad. You just come out. You they carry your finger, they carry your shoulder like this. They talk wetin you not be. Now social media they for the prad. Now social media they for the prad. Social media nine. Anything where you be, keep her inside yourself. Can you imagine? So, wait, I can remember, what did they call this woman? Mrs. Akbaika. Eh? And then again, see now, what do you teach this mommy love? AKA shine your shine. Mommy love, see what you teach her now. You when you go send man, may you go to buy you one bottle of beer. Every day, you'll still beat and join her. You're still beat and join her. How long are you going to stop this? How long? Tell me how long you are going to stop. How long are you going to stop? Please, I'm begging you. Wait, so una must call me Mrs. Baika. I want to see her for my table today. Because I don't invoke a spirit come here. So make she come. Now say now so she short at this third stay short so. Now so she take shots. Now so she take short at this third take short. Mrs. Baika. And then again. Eh? You a busy, you your short. Or while you know, now just so they carry children dig they shook. They carry children dig they shook. May you tell they, you know. May you tell they shine. As you do and rich, you not still shine, no. No. Now this one I will they talk for my live video I they always they talk. Any woman get husband, try and hold your husband very well. Because when that man leave you, na problem you dey. Or you get anyone, take it serious. Now like to say you live your life well, you for see person where you for dey with you for us. Now if not be money now, where if to say you not get money, how you for testing money where you take buy this man put for us? If to say you not get money, this man where you use money buy for house, how you for tell use money buy am for us? Then again, I dey talk to you. Then again, I'm talking to you. Mona help me share this video. Mona share am make go reach where e dey. Can you imagine? If you get man, you get husband, use your hand all and well. You hear me so? See her now. Now make them want drive German first lady come up for husbands. Now make them want drive her come up for husbands. Because they know their husbands. See you now. It's then again. If you not use money buy boyfriend, use money buy different boy. Now they use money they buy. This one go do. You go say you don't tire. You go still come up. You still use money buy another one. Put for there. Now make you know they show your husband face. You go there from far, they say, gonna different people now you they put for inside house there. Yes. Stop. Those character, and then again, stop. Not they stay for center of children again. Make them not they use you they playboy again. You hear her? As soon as they bully people, Mona remember say, oh, call me one, they come where you go see the bully now. You hear me? Because the thing they pay me. If they pay me well. The way you tell they separate Benin tradition. If they pay me for you. You go say this one Aisha, this one Abini, this one Aisha. We are one. Stop it. Mother Baker, stop it. Beatrice Baker, stop it. Can you imagine? When they are very why one of Jamie? Where you there? You travel. I hope you are close to this place. Mona me go call like who get phone number? Avielele that why one of Jamie. Why they do like this that day for live video? Hey, with nakedness though. Can you imagine? Why they do like this? You open leg down. Woman, they even come see your lap. I was ashamed of myself being a woman. For what? I was ashamed of myself being a woman. Eh? How long? Eh? You don't put your nuts down. Hey, Mona, come on. Hey, Jesus. Oh, wait till they happen. Wait till they happen. You were to those scatter. It can't make your belly big. You know, say too much of that thing, they make belly they swell up. Now you put to Esther. Too much of that thing, they make belly they swell up. You understand me? Yes. Now anybody wey wan call now, if he call, make they put their muna contribute to na own opinion for the issue. Who wan call, fit call for your own opinion, because these people they need to be dead with. Avielele, come make I tell you something. I wan advise you, make you try to dey shame. Shame, try to dey shame. Try to dey shame Avielele and go inside. Try. Because you really bring shame to Benin well. You really bring shame come my state, Benin, Edo State. I was ashamed when I watched your video. Wait, so Abi people don't know who they call Avielele. That girl wey belle just swell up like this, wey belle swell up. That girl now wey say he no get belle, see my belle, I no get belle. Wey they do like this, I no remember her. Wey wear white, he go wear one bun short. Wey be say the mark wey dey lap dey show. Why now? Why would they disgrace ourselves first? Why would they fool ourselves? How long? How long? If you want to call him, you are free to call him now. Queen Sarah, what did you say? What do you want me to do with your number? If you know you want to contribute, call in. My number is available. Who want to call? Please, you can call him. I will pick your call. Now you can call him if you want to call. Please. Now Avielele issue na me just there after for here. May Avielele may just pack, make it go inside, because that video where she do she really disgrace us. Avielele say he be ashawo, he do ashawo for Radio Emila, he do this one for it. What is going on with you, Avielele? You are too beautiful for that rubbish. Yeah, Ivienivie, greeting from Ivienivie. Thank you very much. Huh? Now, mommy talk show. Avielele. The same Kokobiri where they vandalize this one, now they vandalize this one because where they Jamie. Yes, now one Kokobiri they vandalize swap now. Look una belle now because una frustrate una self, una frustrate una life. See, I'm ashamed to even call you mommy love show. I'm ashamed. Oh, do you love it? I'm ashamed. Do you know? I don't know how to put this issue again outside here because this thing they make me the shame. Ew. Oh, do you love it? They make me the shame. Kokobiri don't vandalize you for Spain where you there. You no go rest. This is a private number. Private number.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Madam, I just watch your show too.
Yeah, thank you.
But you just be sharp. You take Christian American. When you go sleep, you just be sharp. No go carry a bed.
No worry. You where they wash. Your headache now it worst. You where sit down, they wash me. You sit down, you don't like her, you can't sit down, you can't they wash. Now you carry the headache. You don't see her? Yes, now the vandalize of Vielele, now you is, yes, obviously the thing is open that now you be that man where they vandalize of Vielele, they vandalize Esther, licky, now you be. Now you be. Oh my God, the evil. So this guy called me, he want this program, may tough for this one. No problem. Now really licky man. Jesus. You know say he call you want run for life. You for stay for life. You for your stay for life. Now licky man. Oh yeah. Now he fertilize Abielele. Cause now he fertilize Esther talk show. How long will they stop all this nonsense? Really, for true? How long will they stop all this rubbish wey we dey do? How long will they respect ourselves? How long will they be as a woman? How long? How long will they dey say na woman I be? Let me respect myself. How long? Can you tell me for once? How long? How long will not take the disgrace ourselves? How long? Can you tell me for once? How long you were there? You were there for where? You were there for Jamie, Esther. How long you take stop this one after you don't insult your husband? Do this one finish. You should take carry and come out for live video. They do waiting. Can you tell me? Your husband not get work. Your husband not still dey shame. He go still join you. They contribute. He go join you. They contribute. He go join you. They contribute. How long? How long? No. Come make I tell you something, Abielele, see you too fine to dey do that rubbish wey you dey do. Because when I don't talk to you finish, I need to advise you, Abielele. If you don't take this advice, see, make I tell you something. You know say woman, whether they say fine, now woman will be say get character. Woman will be say they responsible. Now they say this woman is fine. But you now because you not get character, who be this?
Yeah, hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon, my brother.
Yeah, I'm watching your show now, madam. Please, I want to ask, madam, sorry, are you really married or you just begin to disgrace yourself in the place?
See, it's normal. Don't be afraid of that one. You understand me?
What?
It's normal. Wait, let me tell you. Where are you calling me from? You are calling me from Jamie. I can see that you are Abielele members. I can see you that you are actually vandalizing Kokobiri. I can see you. Yes. Yes. I know her. You see her? Now actually vandalizer Kokobiri people. You see? Can you imagine? How long are you going to stop this? Try and stop. Try. Now advice now they give you avielele. I'm not getting issue with you because any woman will be say fine. Now character now they make woman they fine. That's all. If you not fine, you not get character. If you fine, you get character. I not get problem with any of you now. You understand me? I only just come out to tell una make una change for all this nonsense what una they do. You understand? You know if you come out now, come begin the advice person, leave this one, not do this one, do this one, but you're all dirty. You're all the smell. No. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? It's normal. Me, I not care. Anything una write, that one I normal. Not be today start. It don't take way start. You understand me? But my own talk, I come to advise Avielele. I come to advise Beatrice Baika. I come to advise a startup show. Yes, I come to advise Mrs. Baika, Kokobiri, Odion Love Vest, Kokobiri wife. Now come advice. See, I may give una one by one. I want to advise una. Listen carefully. If you be responsible woman, if you know say you be responsible woman, listen carefully. Even though on the right bad comment for me, I not go reply. Now get hand when I want to write. Now you get the stress. That one not be my problem. It not affects me. Come make I tell you something where you don't know. Listen to me. Another call does still come again. This one are from far. Mona listen. Hello. It don't cut on. Which one are this? Sheshera, but let me check it. Oh, which picture you put for your this thing? Which picture they? I can't find it. Hello. Shesherabo, please send me invitation. I will invite you. I will pick it, please. Who be this? This Nigerian number. You talk now. Hello, this Nigerian number is on speaker. Pick. I pick you or you talk. It's counting. Okay, you know what talk, you dey listen, Abi. Bye-bye. May I cut you. So, Sheshera, but please send me invitation. I will pick it. See, may I tell now one thing, go look my wall. Because I know they like nonsense. The reason why I come out, I felt come out day before yesterday, I come out today again. The reason why I come out, because I be woman. I want make some of them where they say Kokobili they vandalize. Some of the way they do fake things around. I want make them change. Because for me, I dey shame. I dey shame. Hello, talk now. Your phone dey on speaker. You talk now. Now let you dey talk now. Now you dey call where your number no, your voice no dey come out. Other people their voice dey come out since. You cannot frustrate. You cannot distract me. All right, bye bye. Let me cut your call. So Ojo love it. I only come and come give you advice. May you change. Are you hearing me? No dey raise your finger up again. No dey raise your shoulder up again. No dey feel pompous. Be as you be. Be as normal. You understand me? Because obviously wetin I see you with yesterday night, e just make me fed up. Before I dey comment for your video, yes, when I see you your video yesterday night, I bin wan just comment put. I come see say you dey lay course. I see you dey lay course yesterday night. I quickly withdraw back. If not be you, this woman as e just dey phone for social media, e just dey raise e shoulder, dey raise up, say na him be this one. If not be you, we for not even know say na Titi na him dey vandalize am. We for not know. Yes, we for not know. I just come out this morning, me I can't give una, most of una wey be say no get respect for woman. I just come out this morning, me I can't give una advice. Muna no dey fool our women again. Muna try, muna respect una self, cause it's high time you know wetin you want. The day na get Madam Baika, try and change. I beg you. Try and change. No dey spoil all these social media presenters. No dey spoil them again. You hear me? Now you make your loved be like this, so now you make her be like this because of the bad advice wey you dey give her. Yes, all those people wey just dey social media presenters, those one wey be say they get bad mouth, wey be say they no go fit stay one place. Now you just dey spoil their men one by one. You dey teach them how to dey voice bad things. They teach them how to dey spoil things. You be a real old woman wey dey spoil states. Yes. It's high time you stop. Really, I'm telling you the truth. Yes. How long will you stop this? When you go come out for Facebook, you begin they do like this. How long are you going to stop this? How long? Esther, that your momoso, can you imagine? If me I be myself, I'm not going to even prize you, no verse. If I be man, I'm not going to prize you. No, don't even talk or say, now make you talk and say your husband, that thing, you know the rich grant. Mona list another person don't call again. Oh, can you imagine if they pay you, Sha? If they pay you, Sha? Can you imagine? He really they pay now. That girlfriend, the Kokobiri master, that girl, as they vandalize Esther, no, not the Esther, Abielele, now he just the pay now. Now, wetin just the pain na be that one. He head just the hot. He the pain na not be small thing. He body the hot. How? He body just the hot like fire. Can you imagine? Now, Esther Pomona wants make he come, make she call me. Make Esther Pomona make she come tell me. Now when he say his husband that thing no dey reach the down, so the one wey you dey reach the down, make he come tell us, make we know say na truth. This one no be fake matter, na real truth things wey be say everybody know about it. When she come out dey cry, I no mean now. Wetin you no mean? You don come and tell the world say your husband cassava say e small, e no dey reach the down. I can't really sit down. How can a woman wey be say real sensible woman wey really get sense, wey go open mouth tell her husband say you no dey even dey try sef, you no dey even dey try? How can a real sensible woman go come talk like that? Tell your husband say you no dey try, your thing no dey reach the down. Eh? Any woman wey dey responsible, dem no dey live that life. Dem no dey do that thing. Yes, automatically get somebody wey be say e dey vandalize you for corner. Abeg, that is why we want make you just come out now. Come tell us that person who he be. Come out, come tell me who that person be and who be that person. Come out, Esther, come out. You do mad blah 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 blah. You dey talk, your tongue no dey raise up. Eh? Mona invite Aproko, Mona invite Coritoto, Mona invite all of them come. Mona share and go reach where they dey. Yes. God, this matter is dey knock my head bo. Yes. Day before yesterday, I just come and just talk small so that the thing go calm down. I surprised yesterday and I just sleep up. I wake up, I say, okay, me I just see my phone, whether I get message. She say, this woman, Odion Lovett, why will you do that? Why you go dey swear? Why? You know wetin make me dislike am? Because you don carry your members, you don carry your fans. Una don dey do prayer together. I dey watch you. I like am. But I surprised. That swear when you come dey swear yesterday night. I weak. I said, Kai, I imagine this woman wey me I know, wey be say they advise everybody. If they even dey carry her fans, then they do prayer together. Can you imagine? Now she be this one wey be say they lay curse at the middle of the night. I was ashamed of myself. I said, no, it's not done. Yes, I was ashamed. It's not done. Yeah, na destroyer she be, my sister. My sister Joy, she's a destroyer. And you are a disgrace to your family. You are a disgrace to your family, to the entire community. I know if you come back on the swear for now. Baika will just come out. You go carry this one head. You go use and knock the other one. Bow. You go not bust. You go carry another one head again. You go use and knock the other one. Bow. He go hide the head for one corner like this. You go dey push them, they come out. Make they do what they're not supposed to do. You go dey push, they come out. Make they do what you go just hide. And you dey push them into fire. Yes. See, may I tell you, that curse when you lay yesterday night on your level, may I tell you, go and renounce that curse and pray for God to forgive you. Pray for God to forgive you and learn from others. You know God. You say you know God. Why you carry, you gather people, they pray, oh God. Now they call God, may God answer una for una situation. At the end of everything, you dey carry people dey pray. At the end of everything, you still carry juju come out, begin dey lay curse for people, children, or your lovers. How long are you going to stop this? That is why I just know say you know just know God. Even when you come out, they swear for people, children. You dey swear for people, children. And then I know say, this girl, this one where she did, so she not really know God. She's just pretending. You are just pretender. Stop pretending. I'm telling you, stop pretending. All right? Stop pretending. Odion Lovett. Stop. That's why I just be as I be like this. I be woman wey be say I get action, but I no dey find trouble. You dey hear me? I get action, I no dey find trouble. Are you hearing me? But when I see truth, I come out and say the truth. If I see truth, always I dey come out and dey say the truth. That is why I dey talk to you today, Odion Lovett. Say you have to behave yourself. Respect yourself once. Try and respect yourself. Try and behave yourself. Let people know. Let people copy from you your goods, not the evil ones. Your followers, let them know that it's not what they think. Right from this moment, because of what you did yesterday night, that is why I come out for you. That is why I come out for you. That one na your own, Odion Lovett. Your matter don't go. See, may I tell you something? The thing I get. Now your old turn be this one. You understand? Because I also cut this video. Listen to me carefully. I want to talk sense into your head because you need them. It be like say you lack of knowledge. You lack of sense. Everything where they happen for social media, listen to me, Mrs. Baika. You are the problem of it. Are you hearing me? You understand me? You be like tortoise. You be like tortoise. Come here, I tell you something. You be like tortoise. Where big say, you be like this guy. What be your problem? You don't know whether I call you, they call, whether you they use the phone, they play. See, as you resemble tortoise for ordinary grounds, your view is you resemble tortoise, and you still they do like tortoise. How long are you going to stop that? What it be your problem? When you dey carry law matter, you dey investigate law, you dey carry law matter, they say they go outside. Everything dey my pan for here. You say law na your Asian woman na it be, but you carry a matter, you blank, go give another person. You carry another person, you blank. You want just scatter everywhere. Everywhere. You want to scatter everywhere. How long are you going to stop that? Can you stop it for once? See, I want to really tell you today, may you change for your evil way, because you be old woman will be say you like to scatter people. You know they respect yourself. Try and change. Are you hearing me? Try and change. So that man wey you put for house wey be say you dey conk every day, wey you dey send one beer, go buy beer for me, go do this one, you go still go conk, you go still carry conk, you go still conk am. That man, so may I tell you something? Everything wey dey happen for there, everything dey my palm. Everything dey the world, everybody know wetin you dey do. See, make I tell you something you wanna not understand. As all of una just take dey my platform, listen, the name where I just bring come out today, where I write for there. If una not respect una self, as una just say dey there, una listen to me carefully. As all of una dey there, una name dey my palm. You understand me? Right from this moment, una not change. Now I go dey bully una one by one. I go bully you today. I go bully you. The other one I go still bring her come out the next day. Now waiting I want to give una be that one. Another thing not there. See, and wetin make me come out for una today be that one. You hear me so? Aviarele, come make I tell you something. It's high time you respect yourself. Are you hearing me? Stop today, announce yourself, say you be ashawo. You don't do ashawo for year. You don't do ashawo for year. Now you be this one. Go and ask of me. Look at my belly. Now this belly, I tell do this one. My mama not suffer. My mama not suffer. Say fish for a kiosa. Yeah? That is why I give you that name. Why I give you why you are one of Jamie. Yes. You just the why. How long will you stop that? Keep it for only your husband, yeah? Keep it for only your husband. Keep it. Keep it. May I rest my case like this for today. My loved ones, Muna, bye-bye. Ciao, I love you all. I love you all. No worry, if una come out, try rubbish again, I'll still come out because of una. I just dey tell una today. Stop to the why. That one for your own. You were just the why. Stop to the why. Stop why. Stop it. Stop nakeding yourself for Facebook. Stop disgracing yourself for Facebook. Alright? Respect yourself before your viewers, even before your family, before the world. Respect yourself. Thank you all. Make una take care. Have a wonderful day. I love you all. Anyone where they write bad comment, Mona continue. The one where they write good comment, God now go bless una because una no say wetin I bring come out na truth now they talk. Una where they write the good comment, God now go bless una well. Because una get fear of God. Those one wey not get fear of God, when dem dey happy for wetin those bad people dey do, make dem dey happy. Bridget Osage, you tell me say issue, you dey tell me say I no arrange well. You know say I know you for Jamie here, you marry white man. Respect yourself. If you not take yourself out from this issue, I'll bring your nyash come and I'll bully you. I don't want to knock him out. I say the blow blah boy. I don't want to have your issue. Just stay clear and respect yourself. So that is my speech for today. Alright? Mona take care. Mona bye-bye. Now so you reach. Now social media matter. Now so you reach. You understand? Issue not dead there. Me, I don't talk my own for here. Just to advise people what to do. Yes. Now advice I can't give. Mona bye-bye. Ciao. Choose. I love you all.